Shit, what's that? It's build time, mother sucker. It's been a while, but we're back with a new episode, and as you can see, we've been very, very busy. This has been one of the most anticipated parts of the journey, and for good reason. This is where the action's at. The guys have smashed it here today. You can see they got 2 frames up over there. Well, not up, but they've got them assembled. And just over there, they got another 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they're halfway through. Day 2, fam. Well, shit, actually, it's day 3. These guys are smashing it, so I thought I'd come out here and show you what's going on. So, like, over there, that's 4 of the 9 frames. I think I said, like, 8 frames the other day, but nah, 9 frames. There's another 2 over here. One's for the garaport, which is this end part, which, you know, is a nice part outside that you can kind of sit around and hang out and look at the monga when they get erected. They're done with the framing. All ready for erecting next week, Wednesday. And then you've got all the purlins for bracing the roof section of the build, which by the power of editing, you're gonna see that now. Oh. Glad this isn't my job. This looks hard. The joys of trying to get a crane in. Bro, hard. Look at this thing, so bloody huge. Massive ass tire. The crane's broken. It's been a rough start today. A very important meeting going on over here. Lots of important things being discussed. So this thing is massive. Crane. And this was one of the most impressive things I've ever seen. Basically an entire frame of a 360 square meter building going up in 60 minutes. Lucky last. That's the last one. It was 11:30 when they started, and now it's 12:24. Boosted. And boom, another crew's turned up to get all this done in time. The way it's going at the moment, this shit's gonna be done real quick. I'm back here doing a shoot with bison today, having my day off, doing some different mahi. Let's go over here by this amazing light, which makes me look pretty. Oh. This was a day for doing some different work. Part-time model, bison workwear ambassador, some graphic design, because I was way behind on that. What's up, fam? So what the bro was telling me before is that the bridging is there to secure the purlins in place, making them super stable, which is kind of what you want when you got a big ass building. Once the framing is completely done, then next step is cladding. Yo, sup fam? Day 5, 6, 7 map, bro, I don't even know. I'm losing count. So because this area is gonna be framed out and used as an office, we've got building paper over here, which kind of acts as a bit of a thermal break between that and the cladding. Well, that's what I think it is.
One thing I've observed about metal buildings is that precision is king. Metal structures don't flex a whole lot, so it's important that your cuts are exact.
Bruh, killed that side, smashed it. It's a beautiful day here in Taranaki. Let's have a look at the maunga, eh? Love that this bloody thing is here in our backyard. Next thing on the agenda is the roof. The guys have to wait for a windless day, which is in Taranaki is basically impossible. They think that they're gonna bring the whole team out for that. So the roof should go on pretty quick. Fingers crossed anyway. Let's check in later. Bro, look at that shit. Boys are smashing it. So bloody good. So excited.
And this is where it really starts taking shape, and you get a real sense of where the build is going.
The boys are done for the day. As you can see behind me, we got one half done. Bring on some more, baby.
And that's exactly what they did. They marched straight into day 9 to finish off the second part of the roof and install the roller doors.
So we're here doing that thing, which is Wipeout, Water World. It's basically a bouncy castle on the water.
Come on.
Oh yes, and this is a team event. Let's go. Yo, so it's another week. Guys are back here fitting the front, of which I believe is the most finicky part of this whole job. There's a whole bunch of brain power and maths getting these cutouts right. Because if you get it wrong and the gap's too big, but I have every faith that the boys know what they're doing. One of the last pieces to the puzzle, fam, joinery. So the boys have arrived. I heard the trailer and I was like, yo, that shit sounds like a trailer with some joinery on it. So hilariously, I thought this was a slider, but it's just an opening door, which is, I think, better. So I must have totally made that decision while I was sleeping or something, who knows. One more to go. Well, we are nearing completion of the build. There's a couple of tasks left, but these boys are pretty much on their way out after they've done these 2 entrances. They're gone. Quite enjoyed their company. It's been a bloody journey, fam. One that I'm very excited about and very proud of. And we are now completely enclosed. Fuck yeah.
If you've followed our journey, you'll have some understanding of what we've put into this project and what it means to us. This is the next steps in our business, the new building blocks to achieving the dream. And these guys, they've helped us do that.
Yeah, later. And that's it. Peace. This is my son Curtis, fully qualified builder.